Hello and welcome to the Day Tradester. I started this channel to help traders become a little bit more profitable, whether you have experience or whether you're a new trader in the markets. So thanks for visiting my channel in either situation. And we've got 9 stocks to sell, so let's get selling. So while we're selling, I want to continue with the conversation and information that I was giving yesterday about how if you are new to trading and you're thinking about getting in, that $25 is a pretty good amount that you can start with that will help at least get you started. Again, you may think that $25 isn't much, but it will add up over time, as I said, due to how money compounds over time when interest is added to it. Now, when you're trading, the money that you have invested isn't necessarily compounding exactly as you would think, as a bank might apply interest for your money being held by them in their institutions. If you happen to have any cash in the brokerage account that you have, like I said yesterday, I use Schwab. Schwab will definitely be paying you interest on the cash that is sitting in your account. However, when you're an active trader, we're actually making gains, not strictly compounding. We are making gains based on the value of the increase of the specific stock that we have in our account. As people enter the markets, they affect the value of any individual stock of a company based on supply and demand. So technically speaking, the money that we earn is not necessarily strictly from compounding. It's from the gains that we make when we sell the stocks. But compounding is the general term. However, to turn our or your $25 a week into something greater than just if it was compounding and collecting interest, we want to make profits, as many profits as we can. We want to sell our stocks as often as we can. And in order to do that, I have set indicators to let me know when it might be advantageous for us to either purchase or to sell a specific stock. And if you follow me, we'll be able to increase your $25 a little bit every day by realizing the benefits of swing trading. And swing trading is much more beneficial for anybody who's just starting out with $25 because we're buying and selling quickly. We're not holding on to a stock like, for example, with Verizon here. Price can change direction on any given day, and we want to be able to buy on one day and sell the next if we're able to take advantage of a gain in that stock's value. It's time to buy, but first I want to change the my watch list. Right now I have the company names that are visible. If you're into trading, I don't think that's very useful for you. You already know the stock ticker and what they represent, so I'm going to get rid of the company names, and I'm going to just put back into my positions, how many positions I have in that particular equity. So we're going to get rid of the company names altogether. Today is a short video. We only have 9. We already sold 9, and we only have 14 equities to purchase. And even though we don't have a lot that we've sold, we're going to make money on those orders. So if you do choose to follow me, and hopefully you might be able to utilize the information that I give you, and you might be able to follow my trades, and we can slowly increase that $25, not just on every day, but every week and every month. Now, the trades in these videos and what I'm speaking about, they can be useful for any trader. I just happen in this particular video and yesterday's video be speaking to beginning traders. If you are an experienced trader, you certainly will make money as well. But as a beginner, I'm just trying to reduce the fear or the apprehension that you might have entering, or if you're just a young trader of the markets. Because we are taking the advantage of using swing trading, we typically don't see the losses or the loss in value of our equity as the price goes down. Hopefully we try to sell out before any downturn in that particular equity. It offers us a lot more flexibility when we're able to sell a stock on any given day. Investors hold for a year or more. If you're entering the markets and you plan on doing what traders do, you technically are not an investor. You are a trader. And as a new beginning trader into the markets, and with a little bit of money, you want to be able to turn your $25 a week into something greater. So the flexibility that we have will do that. If you do choose to follow me, every trade that I make is it's not a day trade. I'm not buying at a low point in the day and selling it. If I give you a buy order, I will not be selling it later that day. I might sell it to the next day, depending on how the price action moves for that day. But none of these trades that I'm making that I bought today will be sold today. As you can see, hopefully Oxy is on an upturn. And with Palantir, you can see where the majority of my purchases are on the upward trend. So if you follow me, the majority of your purchases would also be on the upward trend. Now, some we do buy and it happens to go down, but that's part of trading. But if you look at the chart, you'll see the majority of my trades, which possibly might be your trades as well, are on the uptrend. The other aspect of flexibility isn't just that we hold it for short term. If a specific equity starts to go down, we can sell out of that and not re-enter it until it comes back in. And that way our money is being used with another stock purchase that is on the uptrend. And the flexibility to purchase through a variety of stocks on any given day or any given week, we have a much greater potential for higher returns than somebody who's just an investor who puts their money in and they dollar cost average into the markets. I hope to gain you as a follower because I'm doing the work. I'm taking the time to set my indicators so you won't have to as a new trader, as a young trader. And when you start seeing the returns that you can make from just having $25 a week put in, you eventually will start to put more in. So our purchases are done. And if you feel like you're going to be making some of the trades that I made, here's the buy and the sell and buy list. So whether you're a new or an experienced trader, please take advantage of these lists. They certainly will help you. And since I have a little bit of time, I'll show you the 3 indicators that are on my chart here. So this indicator is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. And here is the MACD. This here is the moving average that I use as an indicator. The yellow line is the fast line. The blue line is the slow line. On this particular chart, I've got 3 indicators. You can see where the simple moving average is, what my settings are here. And if we go down into the MACD, you'll be able to see what my settings are there. So if you are new to trading, you can copy these if you like. This is my settings for the relative strength indicator, the RSI. And this is on a 3-month, well, not a 3-month chart. I mean, the chart itself is 3 months, but the candles accumulate or aggregate on a daily basis. So if you found any of this useful, please subscribe, like, and share our videos so we can improve and grow our trading community. And this is my gains for the day and the week. So tomorrow I'll continue to expand on the benefits of trading and starting with as little as $25. But whoever you are, whether you're experienced or new, I hope you come back. Thank you very much. And again, please like and share my videos.